How to log in into Intel Employee Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in as an Intel employee. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Intel Employee Login. So let's search for that and there we go. So after you search for that, there you'll find different websites. So the one that you'll need to actually go to is this one right here. Let me just open that up. So it's this one right here that says Intel Unified Login. So tap on that and that should open up this website. So right here, all you have to do is sign in by using your email address, then tap on next and again type in your password. So if you see an employee sign in option right here, tap on that first and that should take you to your Intel's employee page. Now from here you can log in using your company's Microsoft account and you're good to go. And that's how you do it guys, and that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.